Welcome to day 62 of our low-level design course. Today marks the culmination of a rewarding journey, and I am excited to guide you through the final steps. We will reflect on the path we have walked, recap key concepts, and discuss where your skills can take you. Remember, design is a journey, not a destination. Today is all about reflecting on the progress you have made, setting your course for the future, and ensuring you are ready to take the next big step in your career. Before we dive into today's content, let's take a moment for a brief reflection activity. I encourage you to think back to the very beginning of this course. How did you feel when you first started learning about low level design? Now compare that to where you are today. Grab a pen and paper or open your notes and jot down three things you have improved in. Maybe you have become more comfortable designing classes or understanding design patterns. Next, identify two topics that challenged you the most. These might be areas where you struggled but grew the most. And finally, what's one skill you most proud of developing during this course? This exercise will help you internalize your journey, recognize your growth, and pinpoint areas that might need further focus as you move forward. Now that we have reflected on your progress, let's recap everything we have learned. Over the past 62 days, we have covered a vast array of topics, each essential to mastering low level design. We have explored object oriented programming and refined our understanding of core concepts like encapsulation, inheritance, and polymorphism. We have dived deep into solid principles which will guide our coding practices for years to come. We have learned to design systems with patterns that are both flexible and scalable. More importantly, we have learned how to think critically about designing real-world systems such as parking lot, elevator, and booking systems, ensuring that our designs are clean, maintainable, and easy to understand. The key takeaways here is that system design isn't just about writing code, it's about structuring systems in a way that allows them to grow, evolve, and stand the test of time. With all these new skills, you are now ready to explore the job market and target some exciting roles. In the world of system design, the opportunities are abundant. As a software engineer with a focus on backend development, you will be expected to design and implement complex systems that are both functional and scalable. If you are looking for more specialized roles, consider becoming a system design engineer. These positions are dedicated to designing the architecture of large systems and ensuring their efficiency and scalability. For those of you aiming higher, technical architect roles, typically in junior positions to start, require deep knowledge of system design principles as well as the ability to make high-level decisions that affect the entire architecture. Other roles like platform engineer, which focuses on infrastructure design, or senior level roles like SD2, 3 are also fantastic avenues where your LLD skills will be crucial. There's no shortage of opportunities. The demand for system design expertise is ever growing in the tech industry. Now let's shift our focus to interviews. System design it plays a significant role in the interview process, especially at the mid to senior levels. In technical interviews, you will be asked to solve complex problems using your LLD knowledge. This could involve designing a system from scratch or optimizing an existing design. Your understanding of solid principles, design patterns, and system architecture will be tested, except design rounds where you will be required to translate high-level requirements into detailed, maintainable designs. For coding rounds, you will need to demonstrate proficiency in writing clean, modular, and object-oriented code. So, how do you prepare? A great approach is to practice mock interviews regularly, build a solid portfolio of projects, and even contribute to open source projects where you can showcase your design and coding abilities. The more you practice, the more confident you will be when facing these types of questions in interviews. Even though this course is wrapping up, your learning should not stop here. Low-level design, like any skill, requires continuous practice to stay sharp. I recommend that you design a small systems every week, whether it's something simple like a to-do list app or more complex like a chat system. The more you practice designing, the better you will get at recognizing the right patterns and practices to apply. Another great way to learn is by contributing to open source projects. These projects often deal with real world problems, and your contributions will give you hands on experience while expanding your portfolio. Keep solving design pattern problems and revisit topics like concurrency, API design, and distributed systems. And don't forget to stay updated with the latest trends and tools in software development and architecture. Consistency is key to mastering system design, so keep challenging yourself and refining your skills. As you move forward in our career, consider adding certifications to your resume. Certifications like AWS Solution Architect or Azure Certified Architect will provide you with an in-depth understanding of cloud infrastructure, an area crucial for modern system design. You could also look into design pattern certifications as they are recognized in the industry and validate your expertise. If you want to deepen your knowledge further, consider taking advanced courses in distributed systems, high-level system design, or even topics like machine learning and artificial intelligence, which increasingly intersect with system design. Continuing education will not only expand your technical knowledge but also make you stand out in a competitive job market. As we embark on the next chapter of our career, keep in mind that the journey does not end here. Your learning is an ongoing process to keep progressing, build and maintain a strong portfolio. Showcase your LLD projects on platforms like GitHub and consider writing technical blogs that detail the design decisions you made, the challenges you faced, and the solutions you implemented. When planning your next steps, aim to practice consistently. Start with designing one small system per week, then move to more complex projects. In the next 3 to 6 months, try to contribute to open source projects or work on a larger project that you can present in interviews. The most important thing is to maintain the mindset that design is iterative. Every failure is an opportunity to improve, and every challenge is a step toward mastering the craft. At this point, I would like to open the floor for any questions you may have. Don't hesitate to ask about career advice, the best resources for continuing your learning, or how to approach portfolio building. This is also a perfect opportunity for you to network with your peers, exchange LinkedIn profiles, share your projects, and consider collaborating with fellow course members on future projects. Remember, networking isn't just about finding jobs, it's about building relationships that can help you grow and learn in this field. Don't be afraid to reach out to others in the industry as you continue your journey. As we move forward, don't forget the resources that will help guide you along the way. The Career Roadmap PDF is an invaluable tool that outlines the steps you should take as you pursue your career in system design. You will also find a portfolio guide that walks you through the process of showcasing your LLD projects efficiently, ensuring that employers can see your skills in action. Finally, the mock interview pack is packed with practice problems designed to prepare you for real-world system design interviews. These resources will be key in helping you continue learning and advancing in your career. As we conclude this course, I want to leave you with a final thought. Design is a skill that grows with practice. The more you design, the better you will get. Keep applying what you have learned, stay curious, and never stop learning. Your journey as a system designer is just beginning, and the skills you have developed here will also serve as the foundation for everything you build in the future. I believe in your ability to make a big impact in the world of software development. Good luck, and remember, this is only the start of your exciting career in system design.